Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn on quiet mode on Instagram. When quiet mode is turned on, you can still go on Instagram and do activities normally, such as looking at stories and commenting on posts. The only difference is that your activity status will be changed to quiet mode. Turning on quiet mode is easy. First, open your profile page and tap the hamburger menu on the upper right corner. Then, tap Settings. Now, tap Notifications. And then, tap Quiet Mode. Tap the toggle to activate quiet mode, and you can set when the mode turns on and off. It can last up to 12 hours. If you want to turn off quiet mode manually, just return to the settings and tap the toggle again. Quiet mode on Instagram allows you to turn off notifications temporarily. When activated, it lets people who send you direct messages know that you are inactive. Whether you are a content creator or any other kind of professional, Instagram's quiet mode can be a very beneficial feature. It helps you to focus during productive times or take a break from interactions within the social platform. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next videos.